In this video, we are going to be looking at how to install MyTravel, that is Ultimate Laravel booking system. So let's look at some of the features. This script is designed for a travel website, marketplace, travel agency, tour operator, room B&B, villa renter, resort renter, make travel website. So this script, all these people can use it. Let's look at how the site is going to look like after installing it. This is how the site is going to look like after installing it. So let me click on go back. So after purchasing the script, I go straight to my cPanel. On my cPanel, I go to my file manager. I click on my file manager, files, then I go to file manager. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you install or customize your script. Then next, I go to the subdomain I will be using for this testing purposes, which is this. I've already uploaded my script, so let me extract it. Extract files. Then next, I click on close. I've already extracted my file. So now let me copy my subdomain name. Copy, open a new tab. Then after placing it there, I click on enter. All is set. I click on check permissions. For your web application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you build your web applications. So now I will go back to my file manager and I'll go to public uploads. I'll change the permission to 775. Public uploads. So public uploads, I'll change it to 775. Save. Let me go back to the site. Okay, next, storage framework, storage logs, I'll change them to 775. Up one level. Storage frameworks, I'll change it to 775. Save. Logs, change it to 775. Save. Let me go back to the site. The next one is Bootstrap cache. Up one level. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bootstrap, here is it. Cache to 775. Save. So I go back to my site, I refresh. So next I click on configure environment. Okay, this should let me change it to MyTravel. Yeah, set up database. So now I'll go back to my cPanel and set up my database. Let me go back to my cPanel. So this time around, I'm going to my databases, my SQL databases. For your web application, use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you develop your application. Also for your script customization, also use the engagement link in the description to help you to customize your script or install your script. So let me name my database as MyTravel database. Okay, let me copy it. So next I click on create database. I have successfully created my database. So next let me click on go back. After creating my database, what next is for me to create my user. So let me scroll down to create my user. Let me name my user as this. So next I click on create user. I've successfully created my database user, and I previously created the database. So let me click on go back. So next I'm going to add the user to the database. So let me scroll down to add the user to the database. Okay, and make sure I select the one I just created. MyTravel, here is it. MyTravel database. So I click on add. I'm going to give up privileges to the user. Scroll down to make changes. Use the engagement link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script or install your script. I've successfully given up privileges to the user. So let me copy my user. I go back to my site. Okay, database name, username, okay, my name, that's my database name. Here is it. Okay, let me say admin@example.com. So next I click on install. Next, installation finish means I've successfully installed it. So I click here to exit. Now I've successfully installed my script. I would appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. For your script installation or your script customization, please engage me link in the description to engage me to help you customize your script, or also to install it, and also to develop your mobile or your web application. Please engage me link in the description to engage me to help you develop it. Thank you.